If you're experiencing issues with the installation loop of Baldur's Gate 3, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Follow these steps to enhance your installation experience. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Baldur's Gate 3. This includes checking your operating system, processor, RAM, and graphics card specifications. Step 2. Disable antivirus software. Temporarily disable any antivirus or firewall software that may be interfering with the installation process. Sometimes, security programs can mistakenly block installation files. Step 3. Run installer as administrator. Right-click on the installation file and select Run as administrator. This can help bypass any permission issues that might be causing the installation loop. Step 4. Clear temporary files. Delete temporary files from your system that may be causing conflicts. You can do this by typing disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and selecting the option to clean up system files. Step 5. Re-download the installer. If the previous steps do not resolve the issue, consider re-downloading the installation file from a reliable source. Corrupted files can lead to installation problems. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop issue and successfully install Baldur's Gate 3. If problems persist, consider reaching out to support forums or the game's customer service for further assistance.